Hi guys, and now it's playtime. Earlier, I was making something. Guess, I'll give you like 5 seconds. I'll try to be quiet. So, if you got this correct, it was slime. So, I'm gonna use something. Gonna use this. So my slime, I made it by watching a video. It said how to make slime without borax. So if you are the person who made this, I just want to just show them and tell them how. So this is how I made it. I'm not going to show you how I made it because I didn't record it, but I'm just going to tell you. So if you need help, it's going to be okay. It's just so fun. So first I used glue and water. I mixed it up. Next, I got some colors. I put it in here. Next, the person said that you have to put laundry detergent and then it turns into slime, but first you'll have to mix it. Now my slime feels so cool. That was cool. So now we're gonna move other stuff into it. Just wait. I'm gonna use this, the bottom, cause okay, it looks good. Top. Feels weird. Next, up. It's gonna be open, so it's weird. It's hard, guys. The struggle is weird, real. Got stuck in here, but it's okay. Wash it.
Yun ako, nagingisi na, nag-uulay na. Usap ka kilolo? Usap ka kilolo. Oh?
No.
Ayaw mo? Ay!
It's like, yay! Ugh.
Ay! Bumuga!
Feels weird.
Dami, bibi, dami. Basa, ah. Nabasa, bibi yung kumot mo. Ito. Bebe. Duduk na naman. Duduk ka pa nga ni. Ha? Duduk na naman. Gutom na naman. Nag-grass-cutter yung ating kapitbahay. Ano? Nag-grass-cutter. Uno po. Wah. Si Marco. Bye. Bye.
So next, we're gonna move on. I'll see you in the next video, maybe tomorrow or later. This is slow, so just go to end. Almost done? Oh, I failed. But it's okay. I will keep playing. You could press a different video, or you could just look at me watch or play. I forgot. Or I'll just make a flip a clip animation. You say in the comments if there is still comments, because when I watch the comments on every video were gone. So a lock. The lock to friendship. The lock to friendship. Friendship. Done. The lock to friendship. Oh no. The camera went too slimy. Okay. It's not camera, it's phone. Oh no, my hair was almost stuck to it. Goodbye. Kinda. I'm gonna make a flip a clip animation. But first I have to exit. Bye. Oh yeah, that's not how you exit. I missed.